Its review rating is 8.4, which is the very good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Duration of the hotel 6 years. Long-term service around 15 days of rooms are available and you can enjoy your stay. Some offers are available online for this hotel along with various plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For booking or more details, check description. You are free to end of download.